Now, when you get your responses, this is where they go. When somebody fills out the form, your responses go over here. And these are the settings of the form. So you could do this. You could go here. It says make this a quiz, assign point values. That's what we're talking about here. Manage responses, because this is an order form, right? So you want to collect email addresses with your order form. You could say verified. If you say verified, then they have to have a Google account. If you say responder input, respondents will manually enter the email response and send a response. Respondents will manually enter the email response. Verified means respondents will be required to sign into Google. And then do not collect just leaves it just like that. Okay. So it's the responder that will manually enter their email address here. This is they have to have a Google account, so it's verified. And if you're not collecting it, that's what you click. Then you send a responders a copy of their response. You could turn that on or you could turn that off. And that only works if it's verified or the responder input, as you could see here. Allow response editing. So if they've sent a response and they want to edit it after it's been submitted, you can turn that on and they can do that. Okay, require sign-in. If you want them, restrict users to be in your organization, but if you're creating an order form, it's probably for somebody who's public. Not in your organization, but that's where you would go to do it. Now, the form, manage how the form and responses are presented. This shows a progress bar. If you want them to be able to see a progress bar, they could see it. Shuffle questions order. If you want the questions shuffled, I'm not sure you need that. But this is what I think is kind of cool. After submission, a confirmation message. Thanks. Your response has been recorded. We'll contact you as soon as possible. You may always contact us directly. So they are getting a response after they filled out the form, and they're not wondering if they got the form or if you got the response at all. View results. Share results summary with respondents. If you want them to see a result of it, which in this is an order form, so I don't think you'd be using that. All right, let's go to form defaults here. Collect email addresses by default. Do not collect. I do think you should collect your email addresses, but that's totally up to you. And the questions default, make questions required by default. So this just turns all questions, it makes them required. So when they go here, every single one of them is going to have the little asterisk bar here because they all need to be answered. Okay, so now we're going to go and now that we have this, let's go to the settings. We've done that. Now what we want to do then is share this, right? We want to share.